Hello, my fellow Aldi addict, it's Jackie. After seeing inflatables in our Aldi today, I wanted to bring Calvin back because not only does he love Christmas and inflatables, but he loves decorating in general. So not only are we going to go see the inflatables that Aldi has, we are going to look at some wonderful Christmas ideas. Even if you're a last minute shopper, these items might still be in your Aldi find. So if you need a gift, get going and let's see what I find in store. Okay, Cal, here they are. So they have a mailbox to Santa. I said I only noticed 3. I see 5 of them actually. They have the gnome, Santa, snowman, a mailbox, and a penguin.
Oh, I see the snowman. I like this.
Pretty cute, aren't they? What one do you like the best?
The gnome.
That's probably the one I like the best.
Oh, that's.
You think those would be a nice gift? A metal house, lighted. They're $8.99, and then they have these really cute ones without a light. And you can put a tea light in there, whether a candle or electronic. Those are only $3.99. I think those would be really good gifts. I love this one, the LED ceramic trees. The mint is my favorite, but they're all so cute. $9.99. Not bad. For $4.99, I think these hot sauce collections would be great gifts for someone that loves heat in your life. Or for $12.99, flavored olive oils, Mediterranean. What one? Just a sec, I'll be right there. Mediterranean flavored olive oils, $12.99. So Cal was looking and he just ran over to me saying that he found more. So there's actually 7 that we found. A gnome, the mailbox, a Christmas tree, a Santa, a snowman, the reindeer, and the penguin. And the gnome is still your favorite, right, Cal?
Yeah, and the penguin.
And the penguin, and the reindeer, and the tree. So pretty much all of them.
Yeah.
And we already have 3 inflatables at home, don't we? I think these Moser Roth boxes are really cute. They're already gift wrapped, $7.99, full of chocolates. And then these cookies would be great to take to a holiday gathering, especially if coffee is served. What, bud?
Did you ever know they had a Christmas tree?
I did not. I did not know they had that one.
They have another Christmas tree. Wait.
Oh, you're right. Way back there. Color's on it. If you know decor style, I know that can be pretty personal. Decor at Aldi is super cute. Obviously, if the person in your life that you're buying for is a drinker, I think these are really good. I love Connolly's and their holiday flavors. Peppermint bark wine, eggnog flavors, lots of festive options. I think these 7 bottles of sparkling wine would be fun to give someone on Christmas. It's $30 and it counts down to New Year, so that would be a fun gift. We gave some of the 24-day advent calendar Truffles as gifts to teachers and they really like them, and I think this 12 days for $5.99 would be a great gift as well. This whole charcuterie section would be great to gift. You can make a wonderful gift basket, but these specifically, the cheese pairing spread set tells you what cheese it's good with. I think that'd be a fun gift for $7. Even if your Aldi is out of the holiday flavored or scented candles, in my cleaning area of Aldi, they keep candles year round. So this would be a great area to come shop. And at $3.99, $4.29, very reasonable prices. Okay, these sweet and savory nut mixes would be a great gift. $7.99, or the Antipasti Platter at $5.99. Yummy, that looks good. Wafer rolls, I didn't see those last week. $5.99. And then my Aldi added this gift card area, so another last minute add-on. Even the Aldi gift card